Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about how we create the table without loading the data from another source. In previous classes, we have loaded the data from the Excel and SQL, MS SQL. So now I am going to show you how we create the table without loading the data from different resources. So here that is useful. So why? Because we create the tables without loading the data when we need manual or small reference data. So it helps to create lookup tables like status, category or region. So we use it to build, test or sample data for practice in Microsoft Power BI. So this is useful for creating the parameter tables for slices. So we can create the what if analysis tables for scenario testing. So it helps in creating the calculated tables using the DAX. So we use it to create the temporary tables for model logic. It avoids the dependency on external data sources. So it improves the performance when small static data is needed. So it gives the flexibility to design the data model completely inside the Power BI. So here, this is the Power BI desktop. So now I am creating the table. So you can also see, so we have two methods. So one is go to the home and enter data. So we are manually type the data and click load and so we are creating the table. So and one more method is go to the modeling and here go to the new table and use the DAX formula. So here one sample table is here. So just go to the data view. So our table view. So we can call it as any type. So here we have in the home tab, new table is here. Just click on that. So here you have to write the DAX formula. So now I'm going to write the sales table. So sales equals to, so use data table. So in the data table you have to give the key value pairs like ID and name like that. So ID, give the integer data type and name. So name is in the form of string. So in the form of special characters. So give the string data type. So and one more is you can also take the date data types. Sorry, date column I'm taking. So date is in the form of date and time. So see that after giving the key value keys, so then you have to enter the values. So give the comma, then enter the records. So according to the column names. So ID 101 and name you have to give Ram. So next one is the date. So you have to enter the date 2020 0304 something like that. So just close flower brace. Then again I am entering second record. I am giving the date here. So 2021 0405. So just close. Then enter. So see that? So we have created the table without loading the data from different resources like Excel and Oracle database and MySQL. So we did not load any data from our resources. So here we have created by using the DAX formula in Power BI desktop. So this is one way to create the table without loading the data. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.